Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you're having this type of issue on your iPhone or iPad device while entering the payment method on your iPhone device. There is an issue with your payment method. Update your payment information to correct the problem and try again later. So if you're having this type of problem while entering the payment method on your iPhone device, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can fix this problem on your iPhone or iPad device. So first of all, here we have to close this tab. After that, first of all, here we have to open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. Then after that, here we have to scroll down and tap on general. Then here we have to again here scroll down and here tap on language and region. And here make sure that your Apple ID region and your device region should be same. After that, go back and here you have to again open setting. Then after that, here we have to scroll down and here tap on general. Then tap on soft update and here make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version. Then again open your Apple ID. Here make sure that you have no pending balance against your Apple ID or against your account. So if you have unpaid balance, then here you have to pay it. Then after that, try to enter the payment method. So after that, here we have to scroll down and here tap on screen time on your iPhone device. Then after that, here we have to scroll down and here tap on content or privacy restriction and here turn this toggle on. Then after that, enter your screen time password. After that, here tap on iTunes App Store purchases and here make sure that all the options are allowed from here. Then after that, here we have to close this tab. After that, here we have to open App Store on your iPhone or iPad device. So after that, here we have to tap on Apple ID profile. Then again tap on your Apple ID. So after that, you will see this type of interface on your iPhone device. Then here tap on country or region. So after that, here tap on change country or region. Then here you have to select your own country where you are living or your payment method is belongs. So here I'm going to select my own country. You will have to select your country. So after that, here wait a while. So these are the terms and conditions. You will need to read these terms and conditions, and if you agree with these terms and conditions, then tap on agree here. So after that, you will see this type of interface. Here you have to select debit or credit card, and here first of all you will need to enter the number of your debit or credit card. Make sure that you are entering the correct number of your debit or credit card. So after that, here you have to enter the expiry date of your debit or credit card. Here make sure that the month should be of 2 digits and the year should be of 4 digits. So after that, here you need to enter the security code that will be mentioned on the back side of your debit or credit card. So after that, here below you will need to enter your billing address. Here you can enter also fake one. So here you have to enter street, then again street. Then here you need to enter the city name. Then here you can enter the postcode of your city. If you don't know the postcode of your city, then you can check from Google. Then after that, here you will need to enter the mobile phone number. Then after entering these things, you will need to tap on next. Then after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to enter the payment method on your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.